Claude from Greenwood Forest has a question about the great room.
The great room.
I love that. It's a great room.
Well, he's getting great waters in the great room, too. Claude writes to us. He says, the flooding is causing our wood flooring to pop up when it rains. When it rains heavily, anyway. He says, I have a chimney with 2 large windows on each side. There's no evidence of water getting through the windows. And he's wondering, could it be a foundation leak? And if opening the fireplace, it's bringing in, or roof leak, or whatever. And what he wants to know, Tom, is should he take up the wood floor to figure out where the water's coming from underneath it?
I don't want you to do anything until you call Ideal Roofing or someone who's an expert waterproofer. That would be the one I would recommend. It could be either or all of the above. Is it A, B, C? Is it A, B, C, D? Is it C, D, B? You know those little tests?
Wait, no one told me there'd be math. Hold on
That's
a minute.
right. Well, it's math, but it's like a multiple choice. It could be all of the above. It might be one thing. Get an expert out there to look at it first. Don't start tearing the place apart, please.
No, please.
It could be a drainage system just from, getting Tom from Family Landscapes to drain the water
It could
away.
be something as simple as flashing on one of those windows.
Well, that's what I mean. Don't let an expert look at it first. It's well worth a little cost if there is any, and you want to make sure you don't just start tearing the house apart. I've seen people do that. I'm going, oh my God. Stop.
All right. Just stop guessing. Send us your questions to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here, or check out these other videos. We've already answered some, and you can subscribe to our channel too.